What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. I'm Jesus, and in today's video, decided to be a cool idea to try something different. Decided to be cool to go and draw and paint on some wood. But then I got some wood right down here. Good old slab of wood. One of my homies actually gave me this, and he did a painting on it, and I figured, man, why haven't I painted on a piece of wood yet? So I figured once I'm gonna do some acrylic paint stuff, and on this side some marker stuff. So let's actually see how that turns out, and if at any point in time you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. But let's actually get to the wood. Alright, so starting off, I got that titanium white paint and smeared it all over one side of the slab. Now with this side, the idea behind what I was thinking to paint on this, I know you guys have probably seen other wood slab paintings. Usually it's like nature stuff, like some mountains or like a forest. Sometimes they're animals, like a wolf or something. Sometimes it's that cliche Mexican saint. I don't know which one it is, but it's the one that, you know, if you grew up in a Hispanic household, you've probably seen it anywhere. But anyways, with this one, I decided I wanted to go with some like scenery shit, kind of like something with like a made up nature scene. I don't know, it's kind of like nature if you were in one of my weird cartoon dimensions, I guess. And honestly, I haven't watched enough Bob Ross to really get down, you know, how to make grass look like grass or water, trees, or anything like that. I need to get on my Bob Ross shit. I'm probably gonna do a video where I follow along with Bob Ross or something, since I'm on that painting shit now. So, you know, I might be the next Bob Ross. I don't even know, man. But so that might be a video, but don't want to get off topic. Started off with that pink sky, you know, because honestly, that is the best color the sky can be. Living out here in Colorado, it's nothing but like pink and orange skies in the morning when that sun is rising. Oh man, it is beautiful, man. And we ain't have that back out east in Illinois where I lived. I'm sure there's other states where it's just as fucking perfect and beautiful, but I love it out here, and especially with the mountains. So of course that inspired this scenery right here. And with my colors, it's all basic acrylic paints. Just your basic green, yellow, red, black, blue, and white. And I've just been mixing them to get the colors I need in this video. Everything's just mixed from those basics. And I just use a lot of white because I liked higher saturated colors. It's just what works in my doodles and just what I've been doing lately. So it works. But I might change it up, might try some different challenges, try different coloring methods and whatnot. So yeah, pretty much my thinking was just paint this, and like to me, I don't know how to make water look all sparkly and look see-through and whatnot, so I kind of just went through all this with my own approach. But it's all a learning process, man, even this project. Considering that when I started it, like up to this point right here, I was like, man, this already looks like shit. You know, just that negative artist voice in your head. And like since I've been tackling a lot of new projects, that voice has just been, you know, a little bit more prominent. But with that, I feel like I can just ignore it more because it's just there more. Especially because I haven't really been drawing like on a sketchbook for a while now. It's been a minute. I've just been doing painting because it's awesome and I love it, but I'm definitely gonna do more drawing stuff, and you'll see what I mean in the coming weeks. Got some stuff already planned. It's gonna be dope. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to catch up with stuff like that and see what's going down. Meet me at the slab. It's going down. You remember that Courage the Cowardly Dog episode? It was like, return the slab or suffer my curse. I don't know, I just remember it because it's like, this is a wood slab, and I just remember hearing that word as a kid in that episode. But yeah, and also still trying to get down the line work, or making, you know, cleaner lines with the line work, and getting used to using these paint brushes. Honestly, with this freaking wood slab thing, I felt like the paint dried out real fast, and sometimes that's not good because you want to be able to blend your colors. Or maybe I just wasn't keeping the brush moist enough. I don't know, man. I'm still noobing over here. It takes time to get to Bob Ross status. You know what I'm saying? You gotta practice. You're not just born Bob Ross unless you're Bob Ross, you know? You were Bob Ross, but RIP to the legend. But man, from what I've seen, man, he just makes it look so easy, man. But anyways, back to this painting. The creatures in the background were just kind of weird and random. I wanted to do some weird ass trees with weird facial expressions, throw some different land animals. We got this weird pink shelled turtle thing. Kind of looks like a lizard. I don't even know what it's supposed to be, man. But then we got this like freaked out moose. He's kind of freaked out by the turtle. And I just wanted to draw a moose because I hate drawing four-legged creatures because they always come out weird looking. And it was just kind of a challenge, so I figured I'm just gonna throw it in there just to challenge myself a bit. And it came out alright, you know, it's just a weird looking deer thing. I mean, it's my planet. I can have whatever weird animals I want on it. They don't have to make sense, and they don't have to meet any reality standards, you know, because this is all imagination. So, and you know, had to throw in the bird with colorful feathers and freaking little octopus dude waving "Hola, don't eat me, please," and you know, some clouds and typical stuff, you know. Alright, but anyways, moving on to the second side number 2. This one I wanted to do something not as filling of the slab. I wanted you to actually be able to see kind of like the rings on the tree, and decided, you know, make it kind of look like a portal, like a peephole, like a keyhole into just like a bunch of random shit, like always that I draw. And I don't know why I put a keyhole. It could have been like, you know, just another circle, but I thought it would be cool, and that's what we went with. And personally, I don't know, as much as I like doodles and shit, I honestly think I like the other side better, the one with the scenery. I don't know if it's because I had to think a little more and acquired a little more effort, and you know, I felt more accomplished when I actually finished it. I don't know, maybe it's just because when I first started it and, you know, I laid out that pencil sketch and started painting the sky, I was like, man, this already looks like poo. But I didn't paint a piece of poo, I painted on a slab. So it came out pretty good. Ew, what if somebody actually painted a turd? Ew, that'd be nasty as fruit. But yeah, out of all the things that I've painted so far, I've done canvas, I've done clothes, and now this. If I had to rate them, I think clothes is probably my favorite, because you can wear that around and show it off, you know. Can't really carry a canvas around with you. I mean, I guess you can, it's all part of your swagger, but and then it's canvas, and I think honestly this wood would probably have to be the least, because it would just dry up so fast, man. Maybe I just didn't have the brush moist enough, like I said, I don't really know. But I definitely gotta give this another try, and just gotta have new ideas on other things that I want to paint. There's just, the possibilities are limitless on what you can paint with acrylic. I love acrylic. I don't know, what other things you guys think I should paint on? Drop that down in the comment section below as well. You know, try to keep a balance when thinking about, you know, how I was going about coloring these weird random doodles. I don't know, majority of it was just random. I wanted to throw in Boots from Dora the Explorer, but you know, he kind of going through a rough time. He's kind of crazy right now. I don't know, he kind of lost his shit. Maybe Dora left him or something. She got married and had like 15 kids, and now Boots has nothing to do because he ain't got no kids. All he does is like smoke weed or crack or something. I don't know. But he ain't looking too good right now. At least in this little painting. But anyways, and then in the other ones, just random things. There was like a skeleton with a weird bandana or like a sweatband. You know, he's working his ass off. His bony ass off. And then we got this Patrick with a face mask on. You know, he's all about that quarantine life right now. You know, he got his nipples out. Then we got Trippy Mickey. Random monsters there. And then we got a piece of corn. Little face, hot dog, smiley face, and a cloud. And of course had to throw in the Game Boy. And I grew up with the purple Game Boy, man. So I threw that bitch in there and had to put in a Pokeball. But anyways, wrapping it up here, folks. Here's a little close-up of both of them. We got both sides. First up, we got this cool nature one. Ooh. That's how beautiful it would look if one of these pieces was your centerpiece for your table. Here we got side number 2. Let me know which one you guys like in the comment section. Better down below. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome, amazing, terrific, brilliant day. And don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy. Until next time. Peace.